Hey guys, welcome back, and we're gonna check out the third floor today. So this is really cool. Just so you know, we are committed. It is like 120 degrees up here, and it is crazy hot, if you can tell my sweat, but I'm getting ready to go to the gym, so you know, getting ready for that sweat. So, look how cool it is with this ceiling. This is a huge, I don't know, because it's not a bedroom because it doesn't have a closet. And you need a closet to be called a bedroom. But this is a huge area that if you did have twins, you could put 2 beds up here, a study section, private bathroom. And if you had some college students, I would put in here like a mini cooler with some kitchen cabinets so then they can actually have their own private space so they can study and focus. That's if it was me. Now, we were thinking about making this into the master because it's so big and so nice. But the problem is, where are we gonna put the bed? Look how short everything is. Look, Luke's bumping his head against the thing. So if you see this, I'm 5'8", and I have in my squat shoes on. So right now I'm about 5'9", 5'10". Look at me. It's tight. Now this is cool, but for kids, this would be awesome. What you need to know is this window is illegal. Look how low it is to the ground. Some kid's gonna open it up and they're gonna fall straight out of the 3rd story. So we're gonna change this window. We're gonna put in the right window so no one's falling out. In the bathroom. Check it out. It's really cool. This brick is cool. The whole bathroom is cool and has a great view. Honestly, if it was my house, I'd probably put out a walkway from the bathroom to walk out here with some double doors. And I would also probably put a deck out here. And I'm crazy enough to put a swirly slide into the pool. But that was my house and I go crazy with it. So again, it's like 120 degrees. So excuse my sweating right now. Beautiful place. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a lot of fun and you're gonna be wowed by the finished product. I'll see you guys next time.